In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer survey in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to gather valuable feedback from your customers or enhance user engagement, this simple guide will have you up and running in no time. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Squarespace website editor. This is your command center where all the magic happens. Once you're in, you'll want to look out for the option to add a new block. This is typically located in the menu, and it's your gateway to introducing new elements to your web pages. Next, select the Form option. Now, this step is crucial because it allows you to create the foundational structure needed for your survey. Once you click on Form, you'll see a template appear on your page. It might just be a basic layout for now, but don't worry. We're going to edit it to suit your needs. With the form sitting on your page, it's time to hit the Edit button. This is where customization comes into play. You'll want to start by giving your form a name, so type in Survey for the form name. Naming it appropriately helps you keep things organized, especially if you're planning on having multiple forms on your site in the future. Once the form is named, you're onto the design section. Now, this is where you can let your creativity shine. You have the freedom to choose how your form looks, from adjusting colors to choosing fonts and adding any specific branding elements that you think align with your website's theme. Remember, a visually appealing form is more likely to encourage participation. Now, once your form is looking great, you'll need to consider where all those valuable response data are going to be stored. Click on Storage, and this is where you're able to configure your settings to save responses directly to Squarespace or route them to your email. You might also choose other third-party options like Google Sheets. The key is to ensure you're capturing and storing the responses in a way that's easy for you to access and analyze later on. Once you're happy with all your settings, go ahead and click Save. This final step will lock in all your hard work and make your survey go live. Now your visitors can interact with the survey and you can start gathering those all-important insights. So that's it. You've successfully added a customer survey to your Squarespace site. With these steps, you're well on your way to better understand your audience and improve your business offerings. Thanks for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your website.